I'm here today with the inventor of My Pool Filler, Mike, and he's going to show you how to install My Pool Filler right on the edge of your pool. Go ahead, Mike. Let's see what you got. First of all, this is exactly how it comes out of the box. On the back, you'll notice where the hose goes in, we have a screen washer. We've already installed that for you. All you have to do is adjust the feet, take them out as far as necessary to make it as level as possible. It does not have to be perfectly level by any means. This will not clog or anything like that. And all Mike's going to do is set it on the edge of the pool, attach the hose, then he'll turn the water on. Now he's just going to crack it maybe a quarter turn or so. Quarter or an eighth of turn. It doesn't have to be all the way open. As soon as you crack the water, you'll notice that the My Pool Filler starts flowing and filling your pool. Next, all you have to do is adjust the float by loosening the wing nut and pushing the float down into the pool, and then tighten the wing nut. Now your water level is set. As the pool water drops, it'll fill up and it'll stop when it gets to the perfect height. That's all there is to it. Way to go, Mike. Nice and simple.